Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Cassowar Warframe. To begin, you'll want to head to the plains of Eidolon on Earth. This unique polearm is a fantastic addition to your arsenal, known for its balanced stats. Its components are primarily found by completing specific tasks offered by Kanzu in Cetus. We'll break down exactly which bounties to target for each part, making your farming process much smoother and more efficient. To get the Cassowar's blueprint, you'll need to complete Tier 1 bounties from Kanzu in Cetus. The blade component drops from Tier 2 bounties, so keep an eye out for those. Finally, the handle can be acquired by successfully completing Tier 3 bounties. Remember, bounty rewards rotate, so you might need to run them a few times. Focus on the higher-level bounties for better drop chances on the rarer parts. Once you have all three components, the blueprint, blade, and handle, head to your orbiter's foundry. Select the Cassowar blueprint and initiate the crafting process. You'll need a few common resources, along with 15,000 credits. The crafting itself takes 24 hours to complete, but you can speed it up with platinum if you're eager to use it immediately. For faster farming, consider teaming up with other Tenno in a squad. This can make completing bounties much quicker. The Cassowar excels with a critical build, so modding for critical chance and critical damage is highly recommended. It's a versatile polearm, great for both melee combat and heavy attacks. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, as well as other deals. Enjoy your new Cassowar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.